Hi everyone. Last time we spoke, I had mentioned I wanted to get a new lipstick holder. So here we are. The reason I needed a new one is because I had some odd shaped lipsticks that simply would not fit in the current holder that I have. And some of these are very snug and they're difficult to get out without coming apart and sticking inside. So let's see what I've added since last time we spoke. I have 2 EOS lip balms that were gifted to me. And I have 1 tube from the Dollar Tree that's I'm trying out. So far so good. It's the Colors brand. Cost $1.25. Okay, so let me empty this out. But first, here is the new holder. Just acrylic. I got it from Shein. I'll try to link it below if possible, if it's still there. The dividers are large, so this may not work great for my lipsticks. If not, I will use it for skincare. But let's give it a go and see how it does. So definitely everything fit into it. Lots of room left inside of it. I don't know if I like that. I don't like that, honestly. I hate that. I can't stand that. So I don't love this. I'll be honest. I didn't pay much for it and I can get use for it elsewhere. Maybe I can have both on my vanity. I don't know. I wanted something to hold my odd shaped lipsticks that didn't fit anywhere, but I need things to be better organized than this. This isn't gonna work for me at all. No, absolutely not. I can't do that. The hunt continues. This was not the one. I'm gonna organize skincare into it, so let's do that and see how that works out. Okay, so that's not too bad. It'll work. I like that I can put my lotions in there. I've got my dual action clean and clear, CeraVe, Gold Bond body and Gold Bond retinol. I've got my serums, my face oils, my blotting papers. Now, my cold cream makeup remover, let's see, it's just some Pond's. It will fit. Let's see if we do it that way, push that to the back, put my cloud jelly there. Yeah, that fits. This will work. This is nice. I like this. So this will not go to waste. Let's see if we can put the lipsticks back in the lipstick container and then organize these holders on my vanity. Okay, so what is left is what won't fit. For now, I'm going to prop them up, I guess, in my skincare, just so they're not rolling around on my vanity, loosey-goosey. Like I said, the hunt continues for a good lipstick holder that will work for all my lipsticks. I would really like a combination of slotted and open. That is going to be my best bet, I believe. Since these liquid lipsticks are so tall and thin, they really need some support to keep them upright. That leaves 3 containers that need to be organized. This is my face palettes. We have an Ofra, which is bronzers, blushes, and highlighters. A Marc Jacobs, I believe, Tantalized Glow. Yes, Marc Jacobs. Can't get this anymore. The blush and the bronzer are great. The highlighter, I've had much better. This is Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. Love this. And then, of course, I have my tried and true Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. I don't even know if they make this anymore. It's my ride or die. It works all the time. So let's see how best to organize this so that things are easily accessible to me. Okay, quite frankly, there was a lot of stuff on here that just shouldn't be on here. But I have added a new makeup. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. I'm going to use it on my brows and see if it will help to fix my brows. All I have are tinted brow gels, and I'd like to try a clear one and see how that does. Hopefully it won't dry white and be crunchy. So let's see what I can do. I've got decorative atomizers that don't have anything in them. You know, if I'm not using these, they're just collecting dust. Why don't I clean these and give these to someone who can fill them up with perfume and get use out of them. This, I believe, is a powder puff filled with shimmery powder. I don't use it often, but I'd like to keep it mirror compact. And let me wipe everything down. Let's dust and reorganize. Okay, here is the clean and current configuration of the vanity. We have skincare. In the drawers are eyeliners, lip liners, then we have lipsticks beside the lip liners and the face palettes on the end. I've got tons of free space. That is wonderful. My vanity, unfortunately, is kind of a catch-all for me. It's my workstation in the house as far as my personal belongings. I set my purse down here. Money comes out of my pocket when I'm getting undressed, that kind of thing. So it just has to be cleaned up and spruced up every once in a while. Thank you guys for following me on this journey of cutting things down to manageable levels, decluttering, curating, and only keeping what is beneficial and makes my life better. I hope to see everyone soon. I always enjoy talking with you. Have a great rest of the week, and I will see you later. Goodbye.